Hi everyone, Mendokichi here. I'm back with another cosplay tutorial. For this video, I'll be making Yor Forger's earrings and weapon. I might make this a video series of me completing Yor's cosplay, starting with the accessories. In order to do this project, I decided to 3D print it. I will also put the link to my 3D model in the description box below. As some of you may or may not know, I have a design degree and I was able to learn 3D and many other design tools. So 3D modeling is not new to me. But it's been probably more than 5 years since I last made a 3D model. So I asked my niece to help me with 3D modeling. Okay, let's check the drawing. Because this is where I'll insert it on my earring. So there should be a hole there. So just like all my other projects, I started with sketching my plan. I tried to draw a 3D perspective. So this is my plan for the earring and the weapon. Then I made a flat front drawing of the earrings so I can put the dimensions that I want. You can also use the same dimensions if you plan to follow my tutorial. So this one just connected to the height. Okay, let's do it. Game plan.
Game plan.
Do it, Miss 3D girl.
3D girl.
My assistant. We started to outline the half of the front shape of the earring starting from the top, which is 6 millimeters. 6 mm.
Yeah, and then
The circle with the diameter of 3 mm.
so that's 3.
Oh, that's kind of big. And we'll see. We'll see.
We'll
Oh, you
see.
need to make circle. Why is not circle?
I'll make it work.
Okay.
Then the gap, will it? Oh, well, it depends. On the
That'll
circle.
be
1.5.
yeah.
And then you said this one was 4.
Yeah. Three cm is 30 mm. Yeah. Okay, time to make the circle. Wow, such a circle. Okay. So I was explaining what I wanted the software to do, but I completely forgot the terms used. So I tried really hard to describe it to my niece. Good thing she was able to get what I meant. Now we need to make this not solid. So it's not heavy on the 3D printing.
Which one?
So you have to remove the base, I guess. This one, the height.
This
And
one?
then, yeah. And then can you like, I don't know, in AutoCAD kasi you can copy this and then make like, you know, copy this part and then you can either put it at the back,
offset?
yeah, offset. Wow! Oh my god! So I can only describe it, but I already forgot what it's called.
Like that?
Yeah. As long as it's not whole, right? Okay, and then what happens is you close this off. You know that top part?
The top part?
Yeah, close that off.
Okay.
And then
Then this part? Okay. How
just
far
drag
down?
it to this point. Yes! Exactly!
Yay!
Okay, good. Oh my gosh, hindi scaled yung drawing ko. So the circle's radius is 6, yeah.
I think I'll wash my face. I think I'll wash my face.
Okay. What did you say?
Wash my face?
Wash your
Bye.
face? But
This and this.
well, it looks nice. It's perfect. I love it.
Yay!
Wow. Okay, now we need to put this part. Yeah. This one where I can put it in my earrings. Yeah. The plan is so that I can put it in here. Yeah, I need to get the dimension. I think you should start with the big circle.
So
and then you
that's
put it on
6.
top of the cylinder na lang. X So you make it sa Y. You draw it sa Y axis. You know? You know? Yeah, like that. Okay, is that 6 na?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it looks a bit big.
It looks kind of big. 5.
You do the smaller circle first, the 3.
3.
And then do 5? Better with 5, no?
Yeah, it looks more.
Yeah, okay. And then, that should be like, donut. Yeah, on the x-axis, circle. And then you rotate it like that. I mean, you revolve it. Okay, and then you put it on the end. Okay, now we do this.
And you said
3.
it was 3.
And then you raise it to 3. Yeah. 3, 3, 3, 3. We basically used the same method to create the weapon, so I wasn't able to film the whole thing anymore. You can just pause on the dimensions that I made for your reference. Okay. So I think the same concept. Let's do half of this first.
And for this, is it just do I just a rectangle for now?
No, we need to like
The
make
ribs?
Yeah, 1 by 1, and it's 2 mm. Yes. Yeah. Can I see? Okay. Wow. It's complete. I love it. Then I had my brother teach me how to print in their 3D printer.
So, titingnan mo parati kung ano yung machine mo. Tools. What are you doing?
Video.
Machine type. Check machine type. Okay, Finder. Because that's the name of the printer.
Okay.
Nacelle size is 0.4. Then, load file. Repair model, because you didn't model it correctly.
Why?
Yep.
What you talking about?
Okay. So, what's the scale she modeled it in?
Ito, mga 25.
Uniform scaling. So, let's say 25. So, that's the
Yeah,
actual size.
true.
Okay? And then rotate.
Okay.
Come on. Yes.
Oh, okay.
So it's easier.
Oh.
And now move on platform. So right now it's on platform. So that's all good. So for the sword, that's the correct size already. So we rotate it again. The red again. It's over.
Okay.
So we move it. Select. And cut. Okay. Start cut.
Wow.
Copy. Auto sports. Preheat.
Wow, touch screen.
Yep. So 220. Tapos build.
Tapos, build.
Build. USB. Tapos hanapin mo yung
nakikita mo dyan yung files. Bongga.
your earrings.
Okay.
5 hours. Build.
Three hours to go. And what does it look like now? It's too bright. Ta-da! Wow!
It's magnetic, so it's hard to play.
Wow!
Brownie, stop running.
Well, Brownie, don't go ever. Where are you going, Brownie? Stay here. Then I had my other nieces to help me clean up the 3D model.
Go.
Brownie! Random rabbit appeared.
Like clipping it off like this.
Yeah.
It's better if you had the drill then.
Oh.
And it's better if you remove this, so then it's easier too.
Yeah, so everyone.
But you look like you're having a hard time.
I know, it's hard.
I'll try. Hi guys, we're at the garage. Brownie, come here. Already sat there. Wait, where?
Hey, you can peel it.
And then that.
I peeled it.
Wow,
She melted it in one
amazing.
shot.
I know, right? Because she's strong.
It was so easy.
We're noodle arms. And Brownie, what are you doing?
He's thinking
Nice.
of eating the berries.
Yeah.
But he doesn't want to eat the berries.
He just likes strawberries.
An apple and banana.
This is also good for your nails. Seriously.
Brownie, come here.
Yeah,
Brownie.
you can still
He's
get it.
camera shy.
You're camera shy. You're so chubby. You're so chunky right now. You're so chunky right now. See? If he does that, he's just a circle.
You have to stay. You would stay forever. You must see the camera. Eat your stuff.
He's so cute.
Don't touch me.
Hi, Circle Bunny. He ate the raspberry.
Now it's the blueberry left.
No, yeah, true. Try the blueberry, but Brownie. Okay, so back to work, guys. We just used the clippers to trim the super big excess parts from the support. Then I used the sandpaper to smoothen it more. I also used this type of filer to remove the bumpier parts. Then I used the sandpaper again to get a finer finish. It's the next day now and I'm planning to join the parts using a 3D pen. You might ask, why 3D pen? Why not hot glue or super glue? Well, if you have super glue at home, you can definitely use that. I didn't. So I decided to use a 3D pen instead. But don't use hot glue, guys. Because unlike the 3D pen, it dries up rubbery and is not as strong. With the 3D pen, it dries into a hard plastic, which is better. Then I spray paint the parts, so the goal is to make it gold. I sprayed a black base first so that the gold will pop out more. But then, as soon as I sprayed that gold spray, it didn't look gold. It looked like rose gold, and when I checked the can, it actually said copper. So it wasn't gold all along. So I decided to stop painting it and look for a different paint. With this paint, I put on around 3 to 4 coats, which took a lot of time because I had to dry it before applying the next coat. And then the other weapon broke. I'm guessing it got dropped while I was drying it, so I fixed it using a 3D pen again, but it didn't turn out as clean as before. I gave up trying to file it, so I just painted over it. This is how it looks like now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. I will be putting a link to my 3D file in the description box below. Let me know in the comments which cosplay weapon or accessories should I 3D print next. Bye!